Benchmade's PSK, or Personal Survival Knife, represents a rare folding knife engineered for survival and bushcraft applications. Unlike the typical full-tang fixed blades in this category, the PSK features a robust design that sets it apart. Manufactured in the United States, the knife is built around full stainless steel liners, which provide superior durability. Covering these liners are G10 bolsters that pair with either G10 or premium carbon fiber handle scales, enhancing both grip and aesthetics. The centerpiece of the PSK is its drop point blade, crafted from Crucible Industries' CPM MagnaCut powder metallurgy steel. This high-performance material is further protected by a cobalt Cerakote finish and accented with 3 striking fullers. True to Benchmade's design philosophy, the PSK utilizes dual thumb studs for deployment, paired with the brand's signature axis lock mechanism. Unlike most Benchmade models, the PSK features the Axis Assist system, a spring-assisted deployment method. To enhance safety, a slide mechanism on the spine prevents accidental blade activation, a feature borrowed from Benchmade's automatic knife lineup. Measuring 8.40 inches overall with a 3.45-inch blade thickness of 0.11 inches, the PSK is designed for strength while maintaining a manageable weight. The all G10 version weighs 5.328 ounces, while the carbon fiber model is slightly lighter at 5.223 ounces. What differentiates the PSK from standard EDC folders is its superior structural integrity, owing to the combination of the reinforced axis lock and full steel liners. Further enhancing its survival functionality, the knife features a striking choil at the blade's base, which allows for use with a ferro rod to start fires. While survival-focused folding knives are uncommon, models like the Condor Krakatoa, Extrema Ratio RAO, and Cold Steel Ultimate Hunter have demonstrated their viability. However, what sets the PSK apart is its blend of outdoor functionality and everyday usability. It offers greater resilience than most Benchmade folders while incorporating several survival-oriented features. Despite these strengths, it remains a folding knife, and its 0.11-inch blade thickness may limit its ability to handle extreme tasks like batoning through logs. Nevertheless, it excels in areas such as whittling, camp cooking, and feather sticking. One curious design choice is Benchmade's decision to use a full flat grind rather than a Scandi grind, which is more common in bushcraft knives. This likely makes the PSK more versatile for daily use but slightly less optimized for heavy-duty survival tasks. The inclusion of the assisted opening mechanism is also noteworthy, as it may be prone to clogging in off-grid environments, and does not necessarily enhance its survival or bushcraft utility. Like all Benchmade knives, the PSK is backed by a lifetime warranty. Additionally, its price includes Benchmade's LifeSharp services, offering free factory cleaning, sharpening, and tuning for life. Available now, the PSK starts at $400 for the G10 handled 593 BK model and goes up to $450 for the carbon fiber 593 BK01 variant.